My name's Mark Radford. I'm the CEO of LMI Technologies. Since 1998, LMI has been focused on growing the world of machine vision with a specific focus on 3D inspection and automation. We produce a number of different products, including laser line profilers, snapshot 3D sensors, as well as line confocal sensors. Unlike 2D machine vision products, our sensors see in 3D, and first and foremost, they generate the shape of the object that's critical to numerous different inspection or optimization challenges faced by a machine vision industry. In addition to our sensor products, we also offer an entire suite of software solutions. Some based on traditional machine vision for achieving decision-making within a real-time factory environment. But now we're also expanding to offer AI-based solutions based on deep learning to solve a variety of challenges that were previously very difficult to do with traditional machine vision tools. Our flagship product, the Gocator, is a smart 3D sensor that can be used in a variety of different applications, including inline-based factory inspection for quality control, 3D-based material optimization, as well as factory automation, so 3D-based robotic guidance for optimizing and automating different production processes. Not only does the device act as an acquisition device, which scans objects and digitizes them in a 3D form, but it also runs all of the algorithms required to make decisions based on that data. So it's able to process them, work out what's happening with the part, what its shape is, different critical dimensions to it. The next step be, is the part good, is it bad? And then ultimately, it's able to communicate those decisions directly to the rest of the factory environment, either to control an output or to decide what the next step is in the production process for that item. LMI is proud to be a member of the TKH Group, an internationally operating technology company. Within the group are a number of other companies covering everything from 2D-based machine vision to unique custom solutions for a variety of different machine vision applications. At LMI, we focus a lot on research and development as well as developing new products. Recently, we've just released our Gocator 5500 series of smart 3D line confocal based sensors. These sensors are incredibly unique in their ability to capture very, very high resolution 3D data down at under a micron in scale on some incredibly challenging surfaces. Everything from very shiny objects to entirely transparent glass surfaces. These sensors have the unique capability to see multiple layers through transparent objects. So these sensors are highly suited for inspection of challenging surfaces, whether it's surface roughness, measurement of optical parts, as well as for use in applications in the semiconductor industry. We've also expanded our Gocator 2000 series by adding the 2600 family to it. The 2600 is LMI's first 4K-based line profiler. What this means is it has 4,200 points along the laser line for very high resolution. The sensor family is highly applicable to a number of different applications with fields of view ranging from 10 millimeters all the way up to 2 meters. Really enabling inspection and automation in a variety of applications such as food processing or inspection of very small, complex parts down into the millimeter type scale. Recently, LMI has launched LMI FactorySmart AI Services. What this is a turnkey offering covering the entire machine vision pipeline utilizing the power of AI or deep learning based approaches. So at LMI, we cover essentially the entire process from initial data gathering, model selection, model training, deployment, user interface building, factory protocol, communications, etc. Once that's up and running, we don't stop there. We continue to support that application remotely to ensure that it's continuing to meet its objectives in terms of processing and accuracy, and allows flexibility for future changes to the production environment. Later this year, we look forward to launching GoPixel, our new software platform for our inspection solutions. GoPixel builds upon the Gocator software environment to create an all-encompassing smart sensor solution that's highly extensible. We've created an all-new user interface that's highly adaptable and more dynamic for optimizing the setup. We've simplified the scripting environment and made a number of changes to the way that the tools operate to be more intuitive, more powerful, as well as just able to solve a high variety of applications. And we're also adding new features constantly, including our new HMI for user-based interfaces on the machine being built. Our 3D smart sensors are used across a variety of different applications in many different industries. Where LMI really leads the industry, to be honest, is in the variety of different products that we offer. And this breadth of our product really allows us to inspect virtually anything in any application. Very small, very complex parts for applications in semiconductor, consumer electronics, or the medical space. Or whether we're talking about very large objects, whether it's in the logistics industry or wood processing, even in food processing, or something in between, whether it's the automotive industry, rubber and tire, transportation, etc. The one common factor across all of these industries is really the way that LMI goes to market. We strive to be the trusted technology partner for different companies out there, and we really believe that if we don't have exactly what you need or the solution isn't working quite right, we can work with you to ensure that you get the right solution to your problem. And we can do that working directly as well as with our global network of partners who are incredibly skilled at using our sensors and helping create creative solutions to customer problems. If you'd like to find out more about LMI's products, offerings, and some of the applications that we support, I encourage you to check out our website or our YouTube channel. LMI takes its role as a product leader in the 3D machine vision space very seriously. We look to the future with a huge amount of optimism for the amount of impact that we believe we can have on the world. We truly believe that our sensors are capable of improving the way that the world's products are made. I encourage you all to stay tuned for many new and exciting developments from LMI in the near future as well.